By the end of this video, you will know how to create a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Once you are in, look at the left navigation panel and open Sales. If you already see retainer invoices there, select it and continue. If it is missing, you will need to enable the feature first. Go to Settings, then General, and check the option for retainer invoices. After that, choose the default account for receiving retainer payments, such as unearned revenue, and click Save. Make sure the correct account is selected before you move on, since that setting controls how the payment is recorded. Now return to Sales and open Retainer Invoices. This area shows your existing retainer invoices and gives you the option to create a new one. Click the plus New button to begin. The first field to complete is the customer. Select the customer this retainer invoice is for. After that, enter the main invoice details. Fill in the retainer invoice number, then add a reference number if you use one. The reference field is optional, so you can leave it blank if it does not apply. Next, set the retainer invoice date. If this invoice is connected to a project, enter the project name as well. That field is also optional. Once the basic details are in place, move down to the description section. This is where you add the actual retainer charge. Enter a description that explains what the retainer payment covers, then select the text that applies to that line item and enter the amount. If you need to include more than one line item, click Add New Row and repeat the same process for each additional entry. Keep the descriptions clear so the customer can understand what the payment is for when they receive the invoice. Below the line items, you can add customer notes if there is anything the customer should see on the invoice. You can also include terms and conditions if needed. These sections are optional, so use them only when they are relevant to the transaction. Before saving, take a moment to review the totals at the bottom. Check the subtotal and the total to make sure the invoice reflects the correct amount and any tax has been applied as expected. This is a good point to scan the customer name, date, and line item details one more time as well. When everything looks correct, choose how you want to save it. Click Save as Draft if you want to keep the retainer invoice for later without sending it yet. If you are ready to send it to the customer right away, click Save and Send to email it directly from Zoho Books. Your retainer invoice has now been created in Zoho Books.